Good morning. Friday, day 50 of my workout. Yesterday I worked out without bending my thumb. I'm going to do the same thing today. That's as far as it'll bend. We're going to do the same thing today. I did all 3 workouts yesterday with very little pain in my hand. We'll see how today works. The swelling seems to be going down, so my doctor was probably right. I was probably irritating it more by forcing it to bend all the time. I ride a motorcycle. I lift these stupid dumbbells. I write with my right hand. I eat with my right hand. I need my thumb. But sometimes we make the mistake of thinking that if we force the issue, it's going to improve. It doesn't always work that way. Not always forcing the issue makes things work better. Hi, Annie. What you doing, baby girl? Is that right? Is that right? Okay, well, thank you for telling me. Thank you for telling me all about it. Thank you for telling me all about it, you fat girl. Fat kitty. You're sure getting fat in your old age, you know. You're 14 now. You're 14 now. I had you 14 years, you're getting fat. Yes, you are. You're getting fat, you 14 years. Yeah, let's go back down on the floor, fatso. Whew, got hair all over me. My hair's still a little wet. I took my shower. Whoops, I shouldn't have done that because now my hand's wet. It's going to be harder to pick up the weight. My cat gets in these moods where she thinks that I'm paying too much attention to other things and not enough attention to her. And, you know, she's 14. She's been my whole world for 14 years. So, you know, she loves me. Anyway, we're going to, was there anything else I needed to say this morning? Oh yeah, I was talking about forcing the issue. So sometimes we think we're forcing the issue and it's going to improve things, like me forcing my thumb to bend constantly, which was actually making it worse. And it's the same thing when you're exercising. Sometimes you force yourself to do more than you should, and in all actuality, you're hindering your progress because you're burning yourself out to the point where you just don't feel like doing anything anymore. I'm not doing that. I do this twice a day. I feel great. I take my weekends off. But to me, it's no different than when I was working full time and I had to pick up wood and drag branches and sling chainsaws all day. I had to force myself some days to get through the day, but I felt great. You know, I always felt good. So I am forcing myself, but I'm not forcing myself beyond my limits. All right, let's get this first exercise of the day done so that I can do my other 2 sets and I can get on with my life today. It's Friday. I'm looking forward to the weekend. It's going to be a beautiful weekend, and I'm going to go on a long ride on Sunday on my motorcycle. Oh yeah, something else I wanted to mention. I noticed in some of my videos my stomach actually looks bigger, but that's because these pants are tighter. You know, they're not super tight, but they're tight enough that it does make my stomach seem bigger, and it's not actually bigger, it's smaller. But you know, when you squeeze into something, you're pinching everything off down here, which makes your stomach protrude a little bit more. I'm happy with my results so far, 35 inches. I'm extremely happy. Now, I still have quite a few inches to go, but it's getting there. So hopefully over the next 2 weeks, I'll see even more improvement. Let's get this first set going. Again, not bending my thumb is a little more difficult. Fridays are really difficult for me. Come on. 2 more. Oh. She gets in these moods sometimes where she just wants loving, 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 loving. And you gotta understand, she sleeps on my chest or right next to my side all night. When I get up in the morning and I sit in my chair, I'm doing my computer work, she's on my lap. If I'm sitting on the couch watching TV, she's on my lap. No matter how much I love on her, she gets in those moods some days where it's just not enough. She just can't get enough attention. So she'll meow at me constantly, give me attention, give me attention. And gotta love her. Gotta love her no matter what. So she's getting older. I'm not going to have her forever. So I want to make sure that she knows that I love her. But at the same time, she has to understand I have things I have to get done. I have things I have to do. So, alright, so far, the only part that hurts is when I do my curls, because when I lift the weight up and it shifts slightly backwards onto this knot, you know, it shifts, the weight shifts backwards or towards my shoulder. You know, when you're holding your hand like this, the weight is right here. You know, I can't bend my wrist like this and keep the weight up here at my fingers. You know, when I come up with a curl, the weight shifts forward like that and it sits on that knot. But it doesn't hurt terribly. Not terribly. Alright, Friday's my worst day, guys. I always have to rest a little bit longer after the first couple of exercises. I have to rest just a little bit longer to do the second set, you know, the second, you know what I'm talking about. God, I don't need to come up with the exact terminology. The second half of the workout. And this is my first workout of the day. I've got 2 more to do this morning and 3 more to do this evening. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Friday, day 50. 2 more sets to go. And then my final sets this evening. And I can rest for the weekend. And we'll see where we're at. I'll post my stats on Monday. In the meantime, thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing the videos. If you're new here, click the playlist. Watch my journey from the beginning. I will see you guys on Monday.